Guys, today we're gonna be playing Race Clicker and probably another game. Let's go. Skip. Let's go. Should I buy Auto Clicker? You guys can tell in the comments if it's turned on. Sonic, I gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. I'm definitely not going to buy the Christmas egg because we not need the speed. Ah, didn't want to record. I know it's happens. It just makes me stop. Okay. Oh, I'm going back. Looks like I'm going backwards, but I'm not telling I'm going. Whatever. Where's my? Hold on. We're going to 100,000. Gotta go fast. Gotta go. Dang. Let's see. Oh, let's go. Let's go. I like to jump. Ah. Ah. Oh my gosh. Pretty clever. Much. I'm spinning with my fingers. Yeah. I'm gonna take a break. Oh my god. I don't be so rude. Let's shoot first. Let's shoot first. Box. Mm, mm. Let's play build a boat now. Yes, bad. Current loads. Oh, what? I gotta. Does is the RB battles thing even still going on? Back room. I don't know what I was doing here. I'm gonna show you. Is that actually not real? Some you what the heck? My body just stretched out. What is this? I don't know. What the heck? Oh my god, what is this? This is not even dream corn. Shut up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get me inside this thing. Get me inside. Get me inside. I'm gonna. Huh? 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 I'm real. I don't care. You're gonna have to press this thing real quick. Did it work? Just this. One time. Press this. There we go. Yeah. What the heck? A car. This is the first car that actually works. Because I didn't even have to make a car. Launch. I'm gonna drive to. Get over here. I'm Minecraft. I'm in Super Minecraft. Let's see. Ha ha ha. You're not gonna do anything. Lol. Welcome. Take a seat. I'm gonna take a seat. What's up? No. Kick me. I must die. Do it. I mean that sound. Do it. Do it. Which is brew. I just put it witch cause for sure because I don't wanna like I don't I'm lazy. I was lazy. I don't know why I made this. This is something that makes it work. Does it already work? I mean I made a welcome to Build a Boat. I removed the Halloween event. I forgot to make the Christmas event. The Halloween event is right here. Happy Halloween. I I can put a portal and people can go there. But not right now. Only in Halloween. Not gonna take only like 1 year. It's not that long. You know, I'm joking. Guys, I think you should, I think we should, scan this QR code. Scan the QR code. Scan. I was trying to make. I was trying to copy some other guys' uh build because it looked cool, and I'm just making the worser one. I'm making a ripoff. It just looks so cool. I just wanted to do it. I'm not gonna finish it. This is some thing that won't even make it work. It will just fall because of it. So are we even gonna? This is not even nukes. What the heck are these? This looks like awesome. I'll show you my robot. I have such weird logs. I can't even. I can turn into a penguin. I could turn into a fox, but I can't turn into that. What's called? Only me. I can. Going to see. Yeah, people are really gonna. Oh, bro, you have to be not to be a pet. I'm gonna have to reason this thing. There we go. Bruh! Whatever. It's gonna go like right here and there we go. Good thing this thingy is clean. Well, we will to get some of this thing and put it back there. No, but like, oh my god, yeah, it's the worst one. It's the like this destroyed one. Let's go. Let's go. We don't go. Oh my god. We're not even in the white team, so it's gonna fall down. And I forgot to remove the truss. Ah! No. It is. Something is making it fall. When I remove the truss, it's still making it fall. Because that's the truss is not the truss is for you. Oh my gosh, I can't even. Oh my god, forget it. Oh! Wait a minute. What the heck? Where am I now? What is that? Why is it moving? This oh. Oh my god, the eyes! It has officially been 20 minutes. I don't know what to do now. I'm going to end the video soon. I'm probably gonna the video 51. You know, mode where you prove that you are you. Ah! Nicholas! Stop! I hate the script. I just hate this. I want to make a game. Ah! No. Okay. Me. Zero. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Oh, yeah. Leave me life. Okay. Okay. We're not here. We're not here. Ah! My God. Oh. www. www. YouTube. Dot. There you go. I found it. I found it. I found it. Yes. That's not me. Yes. No. Some silent or normal for this place looks really good. Oh no. Stop. No. No. Please. 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 Please, 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 please. Stop. 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 No. No, come back. Come back. No. You basically want that. I just.
Hello, it's me. And look, I have someone. It's my sister. Hello, it's me. And it's my sister.
I'm going to end the video. So yeah. End the video. See ya.